In this small course, I'll show you that how can you make $1 online in less than 5 minutes. It's not a scam, it's not irrelevant. If you ever wanted to make money online, then you can make your dream come true by watching this video till the end, and you can make more than $1 in less than 5 minutes. So I'm Zain Rizvee from W3 Academy. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So the basic concept of this video is to get things started. Like a lot of people were asking me this question, that how I make money online. This is not how I make money online. This is not how any online business owner make money online, because this is not a real online business. So you can make a couple of $100 using this technique, but in my opinion, if you are doing an online business, you should be making a couple of $1,000 through your online businesses. In the later part of this video, I will show you how I make money online, how I make a couple of $1,000, the way of making a couple of $1,000 so that you can build your real online business. So what's the point then? Why am I sharing this technique, way of making a couple of $100, just to get things started, just to let you start making some money online? And in the later part of this video, you will learn the best way to make money online, the best ways to make a couple of $1,000 online. So just get things started by making some couple of $100 a month, and then you can build your real online business. So without wasting your time, let's start our video. So the basic concept of this video is there are multiple sites that pay you for doing small tasks like subscribing to a new YouTube channel, or signing up for a newsletter, or you can complete a survey. Many small tasks are there. You can just complete those tasks in less than 5 minutes, and you can earn a small amount of dollar, like $0.5 or $1, based on the tasks you are performing. So you can perform 5 to 10 tasks, more than 5 to 10 tasks per day, and you can make around $5 to $10 a day using these websites. So I'll take you to my computer screen, and there we will see how you can perform such tasks and what are the websites, and I will show you everything in detail on my laptop screen. So let's go to my laptop screen. Okay, so first of all, open your browser. And the first website we are going to be talking about today is Picoworkers. So you'll have to search Picoworkers on Google, and like you can see that picoworkers.com, sign up. So you'll have to click here. And then as you can see that sign up on Picoworkers, you'll have to enter your real name, email, password and nickname, and then you have to select your country and click on this I agree, and then click on this sign up, and then you'll have to verify your email using your email you have provided here. So I'm going to click on this login. Okay, so I already have an account, like you can see that Picoworkers, and I can find jobs from here. Like you can see that I can complete this job, Grammarly sign up. So it's very small task. Like you can see that I have to click on this job, and then I have to sign up on this website, Grammarly website, and I can earn $0.08. It's very simple. These tasks are very simple. I can just click here and I can increase my price range to $0.5 to $0.9. Okay, the maximum limit is $0.95 in this website. So apply. Okay, as you can see that this is a survey I have to complete, and I can earn $0.8 after completing this survey. So like you can perform 5 to 10 tasks per day, and you can spend 2 to 3 hours on this website, and you can make $5 to $10 a day, in my opinion. So it's very simple. You can just click on any tasks. Like if I click here, and from here, like you can see that it's description, I'll have to click on this link, and I will see an available survey offers, and then I can complete the survey, and then I'll have to submit the proof like screenshot or any other proof here, and then I'll have to click on the submit proof, and after submitting the proof I will get $0.8 using this website. So it's very simple. I can make a couple of $100 after spending 2 to 3 hours on this website a month. So this is first website. The second website I'm going to be talking about today is Microworkers. So if I open Microworkers, like you can see that this is Microworkers. Similar, you can find tasks here. Like you can see that there are more than 2,200,000 workers and tasks. So you'll have to click on this register. Okay, so you'll have to fill out this form and you will have to verify your email and then click on this login. Okay, so after logging in, you can see that it's similar to the first website we have talked, like YouTube watch plus like plus comment plus subscribe, and many other tasks are there like extract YouTube email. And like from here you can see that you can earn $1 from here. Like you'll have to watch a video plus follow plus share plus send screenshot. So there are multiple jobs are there. Like you can see that you can earn $1.5 from here. So you can complete some task from here and you can make a couple of $100 by spending 2 to 3 hours on this website. So like you can click here for most paying jobs. If I click here, like you can see that here is the option of $1.89. So you'll have to join a Telegram and complete task and send a screenshot on this job, and you can earn $1.89. So these are simple tasks. Like you can perform these tasks in less than 5 minutes and you can earn a minimum of $0.1 and a maximum of $1.9 or $2. So that's how you can make a small amount of dollars quickly. But as I said earlier, in my opinion, this is not a real online business. This is not how I make money online. So now I will show you how I make money online and what is a real online business and how you can make a couple of $1,000 by building a real online business. If you are spending 2 to 3 hours on these websites, you can spend 2 to 3 hours on building a real online business. So there are multiple online businesses. So I will show you what I do to make money online. If I open my YouTube channel, okay, so as you can see that I have more than 23,000 subscribers and this is my first income stream, and I am making more than $500 a month through my YouTube channel. And if I here affiliate marketing, like you can see that I've made a couple of videos on affiliate marketing and I am making more than $1,000 through affiliate marketing through my website. If I open my website, so it's w3academy.net, and here I share multiple techniques for online business like email marketing, affiliate marketing. So as you can see there, from here it's an affiliate link and I'm promoting this affiliate link on my website. And if I show you this resources and tools, here are multiple affiliate links and people click on these links and I get money online. Like you can see that this is my affiliate link, this is my affiliate link. So that's how you do online real business. So I have made a couple of videos on affiliate marketing, how you can make money online. Like you can see that how I made $346 in 14 days, and a lot of more videos are there. And there are more ways to build a real online business. Like if I open my e-commerce website, Organic Apricot, this is my e-commerce website where I sell organic products throughout the world. I have more than 40 organic products. Like if I show you, these all are my products, like organic products, and I can sell those through email marketing. I'm selling those through email marketing. I am promoting my website through SEO. So I have already made videos on this. Like you can see that email marketing, a complete playlist about email marketing. You can learn email marketing. You can build a real online business through email marketing, through affiliate marketing, through your YouTube channel, through your blog, and many other options are there. I believe that you must spend your 2 to 3 hours building your real online business so that you can make a couple of $1,000s. If I tell you that from this website, my e-commerce website, Organic Apricot, I'm making more than $2,000 a month through email marketing and through SEO using this website. So this is a real online business, and you can make a couple of $1,000s using your real online business, building real online business. So the websites I have shown you, the Picoworkers and Microworkers, are not so recommended in my opinion. If you want to do it, those are reliable and secure websites. You can make a couple of $100s using those websites, but that's not a real online business. So you'll have to build a real online business, watch these videos, and start affiliate marketing, start email marketing, start YouTube channel, and start your blog, and start building real online business. And if you are interested in creating a YouTube channel from scratch, I'm gonna create a playlist of YouTube channel growth, like how you can create a YouTube channel, creating YouTube channel, and after you create YouTube channel, how can you promote your YouTube channel. So if you are interested, I will make a whole series about YouTube channel. Just comment below and let me know that you are interested in watching YouTube channel playlist. So I will make and upload a playlist about YouTube channel. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. And thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.